Hello, I'm AJ. I'm your hypoxia coach for today, and we have level 2.2 chair pistol slow. Ball between the knees between second and third toe. We're going to plant that whole foot tripod on the ground when we're up. Fingers are interlaced. They're pulled apart. Head is driving back. And now remember, with that 2-beat, that level 2 breathography, we're adding in the 2-beat breath retention. Zip, up, inhale. Hiss, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1. Inhale, 2. And blow. Hinge and hiss. Go back to kickstand. Left sit bone. Soft shish. Loud shish. Hold the breath for 2. Now here's where you pause. Inhale. In balance. Blow. Hold 1. Left sit bone. Pause on the inhale. Inhale. Make sure you're staring at the knee. Blow. Pause for 1, 2. Here you balance. Inhale. Inhale. Blow. Second and third toe. Hold for 2. Inhale. Inhale. 2 more breath cycles. Blow. Press that head back. Hold for 1, 2. Inhale. Inhale. Blow. Hold for 1 and 2. And you're finished.